A is for Agni Dev. B is for Brahma Ji. C is for Chanakya. D is for Durga. E is for Ekalavya. F is for four Vedas. G is for Ganesha. H is for Hanuman. I is for Indradev. J is for Jagannath. K is for Krishna. L is for Lakshman. M is for Mahadev. N is for Narasimha. O is for Om. P is for Parashurama. Q is for Queen Kunti. R is for Ram. S is for Saraswati. T is for Tulsi.
U is for Uddhava, V is for Vishnu, W is for Water Ganga, X is for Lakshmi, Y is for Yashodama, Z is for Zambavantha.